Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Temi Banjo and today we're going to be making noodles. Before I start, I'd like to say noodles is not a food you should be eating every single day because of its high sodium content. We are going to be bloated to the gods, or your stomach will swell up. But once in a while, it's something you crave and you just find yourself craving noodles and you just have to eat it. So I'm here with different recipes you can have whenever you're craving noodles. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get right into the video, and that means you should keep on watching. Before we enter this video, please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell, and let's just start. Okay, so my first recipe is going to be vegetable noodles. We're just going to be pouring so many vegetables inside the noodles, and I don't know, I have my ingredients prepped here, but I think I should just make it on fire so that you guys can see, so it's faster that way. So I have my noodles cooking here and I'm just going to make it a little bit soft. They call it al dente if I'm right. And I'm just going to start preparing the vegetables in the pan. So I'm going to add vegetable oil to the pot or pan. Then I'll start adding my vegetables, which is cabbage, onions, some carrots, bell peppers, and spring onions. Start spicing up the vegetables. Some garlic powder, ginger powder also. So I'm going to add the noodles now, and then add some dark soy sauce, just a little. I'm also going to add the noodles seasoning to it. Alright, so I added some mushroom to the noodles to cook. So I'm just going to mix everything up all together. Alright, so this is our vegetable noodles. Although we started eating it, but it still looks good and sumptuous. So this is vegetable noodles number 1. Okay, so we've changed our location because we need tasters, and our tasters were doing shakara. They couldn't come there, so we have to come here to them. So we're going to continue our recipe here, and next one I'm going to do is ram soya noodles. I bought the ram soya previous night, that's yesterday night, so that I can use it today, and I collected additional yaji pepper so that I can sprinkle it on the noodles and it tastes nice. So let's go. Okay, so we have our pan on the fire. There's fire there already, but it's low heat, so I'm just going to add cooking oil to the pan. Then I will start putting in my vegetables into the hot cooking oil, and I'm putting cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, and I'm going to add the ram suya I got from yesterday into the pot, and also some yaji pepper that I collected from the malam. That is just going to take these noodles to another level. I'm going to sprinkle that in and put in some sesame seed into my pan. We gotta be healthy, even though we're eating sodium or we're eating noodles, we have to still be healthy. So now I'm adding my noodles into the hot pan, and I'm just going to keep stirring this until everything is evenly distributed in the pan and it is well done or well cooked. Alright, so this is as good as done. I'm just going to dish this out. Okay, so here is our ramen noodles. Let's listen from our tasters. Okay, so we have a taster here. Let me see, how does it taste?
Is that good?
Do you like it?
Yes.
Is that going to taste?
Yes. Let me taste.
Who was that?
Come and taste.
So we have another taster. Please tell me you're in China. Taste it and feel in China. Shanghai, Beijing, Wuhan.
Doesn't taste Chinese, but
What do you mean?
it tastes continental.
Japanese. Thank you very much.
Very good.
Thank you. So our next recipe is seafood noodles, and I'm going to add my seafood to the pan. In this pan now we have lobster, calamari, shrimps and prawns, and I'm going to squeeze in lemon juice into the pan and also add a little bit of salt just for taste for the seafood. Then I'm going to add garlic and ginger powder also into the seafood, just so the seafood on its own has its own spice. Then when this is done, I'm going to add my vegetables to the pan and let it cook for some time. You don't want to cook your vegetable with your seafood or your protein, because the vegetable can get soggy. Then I'm going to add my noodles. Oh my god, you guys know I love noodles already. Then I'm adding the noodle spice, and I'm just going to cover this up for it to cook properly and everything to, marinate and marry each other. So our seafood noodles is done, and I'm just going to dish this on a big plate while our tasters prepare their taste buds. So here is our seafood noodles. This is absolutely delicious, and you can see that it has a variety of protein, vegetables, so much vegetables, and of course so many protein options here. There is lobster, calamari, prawns and shrimp. So dig in and enjoy seafood noodles. So we have our tasters here. For me, I think I prefer the ram to the seafood because the ram had so much spice. Let me see, how does it taste?
It's not bad.
Yeah. That's good. Just nice. It's nice like that. It is nice.
I think I'm the last.
I prefer the last one.
Okay, so we're down to 3, remaining one more, and the next one is going to be pepper soup noodles. And I don't know if you understand how, like when we're children, there's no how you make noodles without leaving the water. It was an abomination. So this just brings back memories of childhood, and I kind of like that pepper soup noodles, like the watery one, to the dry one we always have these days. So let's make the pepper soup noodles. Yeah, Missy, will you help me cook?
Yes.
The pepper soup noodles. For the pepper soup noodles, I'm going to start by spicing up the water. I added the noodles seasoning. I'm going in with some pepper now and more noodle seasoning because the water is a lot. So our water is boiling now, and I'm going to add some vegetables to the water, to the boiling water, and that's just carrots and cabbage.
I hope it's delicious like the ramen.
Yep. Alright, as you can see, I added the noodles into the water, the boiling water. Then I went in with some garlic and ginger powder. I can't do without garlic and ginger powder. It's like an addiction. Then I mixed this up and just left it to cook. Okay, so our pepper soup noodles is done, and I'm just going to dish this now. So I'm going to add some fresh spring onions to my chow mein, and also a big one large egg. Please. All right, so this is chow mein pepper soup noodles, and feel free to dig in. Let me know if you try this spice, if you try this recipe and you feel like you're in Japan. Please send me a message or leave a comment in the comment section. How does it taste?
It's really nice. And it tastes so pepper soupy. Let me see, how does it taste?
It tastes so pepper soupy.
Peppish, but I like it.
It's pepper soup noodles.
I know I said 4 noodles, but I decided to make a 5th one, and this is egg noodles. So I'm just going to whisk 2 eggs up and pour this into the hot oil and scramble this all over the pot. And once this is done, you add your vegetables. You don't want to pour in your vegetables while the egg is still raw, because it's going to get sticky and stick to the vegetable. That's the mistake most people make. And this is really simple. Just pour in your your noodles, al dente noodles, once it's done, and put in your noodle spice and mix this up till everything is married to each other, like I always say. Guys, please let me know which one was your favorite. My favorite was the ramen noodles, hands down.
So we're dishing our egg noodles. All right, so we've come to the end of this video, guys, and we made 5 different type of noodles, and we've eaten noodles today. I don't think we're going to eat noodles in the next like 2 to 3 months, or even for the rest of this year, which is very understandable. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because it helps my video rating. Give this video a thumbs up, and we shall see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say bye bye.
Bye.
After eating all my noodles.
Welcome to our episode.